Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be creating this look in which I did all the glamour but without any foundation because it's hot and humid, and more layers of the makeup will just make you look caked up. So that's why I tried to keep it minimal at the same time very edgy. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Also, while you are at the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. With my eyes first, so I'm using this Maybelline in the shade 20 Sand, which is a little bit of yellow undertone that I love using. I'm just gonna put it on my lid to cancel out the darkness and just blend with the finger. So I'm just keeping my eyes very neutral, very basic. So I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. Fortune favors the brave palette. I'm just using this palette. This is how the palette looks like. So beautiful, so versatile colors. You can use it for the dramatic eyes, you can use it for the neutral eyes. So it's very basic but at the same time very edgy. Use this taupe sand sort of shade and put it in my crease. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this dark brown shade from this palette and we'll start putting it all over my lid as well as to my crease line as well. Repeat the same on this eye as well. Just gonna put the color and later on we'll blend. It's a little bit down. I'm just gonna use the same shade and go all over my crease line as well as to my lid area as well. Now I'm just gonna take this pencil clean brush and then just gonna take this purple shade and we'll just smoke it out. I'm taking the same blending brush and just gonna blend it everything. Now I'm just gonna take this very pointed brush and just take this black shade and just gonna give a illusion of a liner, but gonna do it with the shadow. Who needs falsies when you have this good mascara? Like 3 coats and I don't even feel the need of wearing any false lashes, and just look at it, it's so good. Now to cancel out the darkness around my eye area, I'm just gonna use this Maybelline in the shade 20 Sand, the one that I use for my lid area as well, and I'm just gonna use this. Some face allergies as well. I'm just gonna use this to the spots that I got from the allergies. To brighten up my face a little bit more, I'm just gonna use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C4. So I'm just gonna use this shade. I love the applicator of this, it's so beautiful. Now I'm just gonna take a blender and then just gonna blend everything in. Now to bake my under eye area, I'm just gonna use this Clinique transparency in the shade 08 and just gonna bake my under eye area as usual. I am just using my Clinique transparency shade to bake my under eye area of this because it just makes baking super easy because it's very finely made. So I just love this product so much. I'm also gonna go and bake my smile lines as well. I'm just taking for my entire face, dusting off the excess instead, in fact, and just apply it everywhere because I have this super oily issue, so yeah, especially my nose area. Like always, I'm just gonna use my favorite bronzer from L'Oreal, this Harmony Bronze. So I'm just gonna use this bronzer to bronze up my face and bring the colors back to my face. I'm just gonna blend it. And now for the blush, I am using this Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in the shade Hot Spice, and it has all the beautiful matte shades as well as 2 shimmery shades, which I'm gonna use it as a highlighter. So for now I'm just gonna mix this shade as well as this shade. I'm just gonna mix both of them and use it as my blush. And this palette is actually very pigmented, and if you're looking for a good blush palette that has all the pinks and peach and orange shades, then I think that you should definitely go for this shade because it's very pigmented. I am just applying it on the brush very lightly, but still the pigment is just so good. Now I'm gonna take the powder brush and just dust off the excess powder that is there underneath her eye and the smile lines. Highlight, I'm just gonna mix both of these and just gonna use it as my highlight. Now I'm gonna use this Pro Fix Amazing Makeup Fixing Spray from Makeup Revolution again, and just gonna spread some. I'm gonna go over with my highlighter again. Now to complete my eye look, I'm just gonna finish my bottom lash line by using this brown shade again and just apply it to my lower lash line. And for my lipstick, I'm using this Ofra Cosmetic Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Charmed. So this is the one I'm just gonna use this. It's a very neutral nude sort of shade. That's it. With this I finished very easy tutorial for summer, which is sweat proof, summer proof, humid proof. We are not going for layers and layers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and until then, bye.